Welcome to English Plus Magazine, your source for insightful and engaging content on a wide range of topics. Whether you're interested in business, science, literature, education, history, psychology, or anything in between, we've got you covered. Don't forget to check our other articles on EnglishPlusMagazine.com. And now, sit back, relax, and enjoy our latest article.
The Evolutionary Roots of Human Nature, Exploring Our Origins and Behaviors. Introduction. Human beings are undoubtedly the most intelligent and complex creatures on Earth. We have the ability to think, communicate, create, and innovate. However, despite our advancements, we share many characteristics with other animals. In fact, according to the theory of evolution, we are all descended from a common ancestor. Therefore, it is essential to explore the evolutionary roots of human nature to understand our unique characteristics and behaviors. Part 1. Evolutionary History. The first step in exploring the evolutionary roots of human nature is to look at our evolutionary history. According to the theory of evolution, humans evolved from a common ancestor with other primates around 6 million years ago. However, it wasn't until around 2 million years ago that the first members of the Homo genus, including Homo erectus and Homo habilis, emerged. These early hominids were still quite different from modern humans, with smaller brains and less advanced tools. Around 300,000 years ago, Homo sapiens, our direct ancestors, evolved in Africa. They had larger brains and more advanced tools, allowing them to thrive and spread throughout the continent. From there, humans migrated to other parts of the world, adapting to different environments and developing unique cultures and languages. Part 2. The Evolutionary Basis of Human Nature. So, what are the evolutionary roots of human nature? One way to answer this question is to look at the characteristics and behaviors that humans share with other animals. For example, we share the basic drives of hunger, thirst, and reproduction with other mammals. We also have emotions like fear, anger, and love, which are present in many animals. Another way to explore the evolutionary basis of human nature is to look at the unique characteristics that set us apart from other animals. One of the most notable differences is our ability to communicate using language. While other animals can communicate with each other, no other species has the complex language capabilities of humans. This ability has allowed us to share knowledge, innovate, and create complex societies. Another unique characteristic of humans is our ability to think abstractly and engage in complex problem solving. While other animals can learn and adapt to their environment, humans have the ability to create new solutions to problems and think creatively. Part 3. Genetics and Human Nature. Our genes also play a role in shaping human nature. While our DNA is similar to that of other primates, there are some key differences that have contributed to our unique characteristics. For example, the FOXP2 gene, which is involved in language development, is different in humans than in other primates. This may explain why humans have such advanced language abilities. Another genetic difference between humans and other animals is the size of our brains. While other primates have relatively small brains, humans have much larger brains relative to body size. This increase in brain size is thought to be related to our advanced cognitive abilities, including language, problem solving, and creativity. Part 4. The Influence of Environment and Culture. While genetics play a role in shaping human nature, environment and culture also play a significant role. For example, humans living in different parts of the world have developed different physical characteristics and cultural practices. This is due to adaptations to different environments and the influence of different cultural traditions. Culture also plays a significant role in shaping human behavior. Our social norms, beliefs, and values are all shaped by the culture in which we live. For example, in some cultures, it is considered acceptable to be aggressive and assertive, while in others, it is seen as disrespectful. These cultural differences can lead to significant differences in behavior and personality between individuals from different cultures. Part 5. Evolution and Human Behavior. Evolutionary psychology is a field that seeks to understand how human behavior and cognition have evolved as a result of natural selection. According to this theory, our behaviors and thought processes are shaped by the selective pressures that our ancestors faced throughout evolution. For example, one theory of evolutionary psychology suggests that humans have evolved a preference for certain physical traits and potential mates, such as symmetrical facial features and a low waist-to-hip ratio. This preference may have evolved as a result of sexual selection, as individuals with these traits were more likely to be healthy and fertile. Another theory of evolutionary psychology suggests that humans have evolved a tendency towards cooperation and altruism. This may have evolved as a result of group selection, as individuals who were more cooperative and willing to help others were more likely to survive and reproduce within a group. Part 6. The evolution of morality. One area of human behavior that has been extensively studied in relation to evolution is morality. Morality refers to the principles and values that guide our behavior towards others. While many people believe that morality is a uniquely human trait, researchers have found evidence of similar behaviors in other animals. For example, chimpanzees have been observed engaging in behaviors that could be considered moral, such as sharing food with others and showing empathy towards injured group members. This suggests that our sense of morality may have evolved from similar behaviors in our primate ancestors. Part 7. Implications of understanding the evolutionary roots of human nature. Understanding the evolutionary roots of human nature can have significant implications for how we view ourselves and our place in the natural world. It can help us understand why we have certain behaviors and characteristics, and how they evolved over time. It can also help us appreciate the similarities and differences between ourselves and other animals. Furthermore, understanding the evolutionary roots of human nature can have practical implications for fields like medicine, psychology, and social science. By understanding the evolutionary basis of human behavior and cognition, we can develop more effective interventions for mental health disorders, improve our understanding of social dynamics, and develop more effective public policies. Conclusion. Exploring the evolutionary roots of human nature can help us understand the unique characteristics and behaviors that make us human. By looking at our evolutionary history, genetics, environment, and culture, we can gain a deeper understanding of why we behave the way we do. Furthermore, understanding the evolutionary basis of human behavior and cognition can have practical implications for many fields, from medicine to social science. Overall, studying the evolutionary roots of human nature can help us appreciate our place in the natural world and better understand ourselves and others.
Thank you very much for checking out this article on EnglishPlusMagazine.com. And don't forget to check out our latest English Plus podcast episodes on EnglishPlusPodcast.com. Never stop.